Hi everyone, so this is our project. Finding a trusted home service professional shouldn't be a gamble. Here we come up with a uh, AI-powered application to connect homeowners with a verified professional instance. For example, if you are going through some issues with your plumbing, you don't know how to find a new person. That's where our app comes in. You can log in and request for the services from the authorized users. Let's log in into this. This is a customer dashboard. We have created a demo user over here. Once you log in, you will be listed with all the various service providers in your area based on the maximum distance. You can increase the kilometers to what reach do you want. Secondly, you can categorize them using the service type. So you can use for cleaning, plumbing, interior interior designer or electrician. Now let's try to book something for the cleaning. So when I click for the cleaning and have a maximum distance of 25 kilometers, these are the three options. So each service provider will have their own rates. Some might work for $30 per hour, have higher rating, while some might work for $40 per hour, and it will also specify the distance they are located in. While some work as an individuals, others work as team, which is indicated next to the kilometers. As you can see, the last one, it's not available because he or she might have taken some services and are currently busy serving someone else. Now let's try to book the other one. When you try to book someone, you have to give the specifications like what type of area you want to clean, how many square meters is your area. For example, the kitchen could be 50, or how many number of rooms, that is how many number of kitchens or bathrooms you want to clean. Now the hours of the kitchen basically depends on what kind of cleaning do you need. It's a deep cleaning or not. Then you can select the date and the set time. It will give you an estimation of the prices. So this prices will include the subtotal of the services along with the service fee, which is basically the commission which is used to generate the revenue from this application. Once done, you can put the payment portal and book your services. As soon as the services are booked, the provider will get the notification and they can accept or decline it. Now I'm going to show you how the provider dashboard works for the same application. When I log in using a provider, this is what the home page looks like. Just a second. Yeah. So each provider will have the total number of earnings. It will have the average rating he or she has and current availability. Along with it, if you see, we can switch the availability for each provider. Once you scroll down, you can see he has some pending requests available. He can decline or accept those as per his availability. Let's check for the analysis part. It shows how many services he or she has provided throughout the in a monthly basis, and how many people have viewed his profile. You can also have the services page where you can add or decrease the services. For example, if a service provider decides to add some other services that he would like to offer to the users, it could be carpentering or electrician work, he or she can add that and also change their rates. Simultaneously, when it comes to teamwork, if you are cleaning a big house, you need a big team. So people can add other people or other service providers into their team and can work together on big projects as well. When you go to the settings tab, it gives you the option to change your personal details and locations so that you can stay connected with our application even though you have shifted to some other location. Now let's get on to the admin. So we have some basic admins created. For them, the login ID credentials are written in the code. So if you log in into the system using those credentials, it is going to directly revert you to the admin. Even though this creates a code vulnerability, this can be solved if we create a proper database. I'm just going to put the credentials. The email ID is support1@servicehub.com, and the demo password that we have created is cust 1, 2, 3. So this is an admin provider who is only for the customer services, so it will listen to the customer supports or any incidents which are raised by them. We have also created a super admin which has access to each and every services and all the ways to ban or include a new user. When we talk about the rating part, so each user as well as the service provider have a rating. When it comes to user ratings, so if they have consistently having a low rating or they have a lot of complaints, we usually tend to charge them with some penalties. But when it comes to these are the admin services. So this is a super admin which has access to all the dashboards. This is the current dashboard with total users, number of tickets, pending verifications, and ban. When we talk about the verification, each and every service provider who is logging into this application to provide services, they have to go through a proper documentation verification with a separate team verifying each and every document so that it ensures the safety of the people. Then we have ratings and bans. This shows that if someone has been banned from the from being service provider because they have been having consistently low rating. When we go to categories, these are the categories which we have. This is the average rate they provide and how many providers are there currently in each services. Just since this is a demo data, this is just a rough figure. We showed you the customer support. This is the provider support. So if a provider is giving you a complaint that the person who requested for the services was rude to them, this is where they can put it up. Or if they are not able to accept any request, they can also raise the query to us. uh, this is full of the application that we have. Thank you.